Saving $1,000 in just 30 days might sound like a daunting task, but it's completely achievable with the right mindset and strategies. Whether you need to pay off debt, build an emergency fund, or save for a big purchase, this video will break down simple and effective steps that you can follow to reach your goal. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan to save that $1,000 and set yourself up for financial success. Let's dive in. Step 1. Set a clear goal. The first step to saving $1,000 in 30 days is to set a clear, specific goal. It's important to know exactly why you want to save this money. Are you saving for a vacation, an emergency fund, a down payment on something special? When you have a clear goal in mind, it becomes easier to stay motivated and disciplined throughout the month. Write down your goal and put it somewhere you'll see it every day. On your fridge, your bathroom mirror, or even as the wallpaper on your phone. This will serve as a constant reminder of why you're making these sacrifices and keep you on track. Step 2. Assess your current spending. Before you can start saving, you need to know where your money is currently going. Take a few days to track every dollar you spend. You can do this manually with a notebook or use a budgeting app to make it easier. Once you've tracked your spending, categorize your expenses. You'll likely find that your spending falls into 3 main categories: essentials, like rent, groceries, and utilities; non-essentials, like dining out, entertainment, and shopping; and fixed expenses, like insurance or subscription services. By understanding where your money's going, you can identify areas where you can cut back, which leads us to the next step. Step 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Now that you've assessed your spending, it's time to start cutting back on those non-essential expenses. This is where you'll find the most potential to save. Start by eliminating any unnecessary spending for the next 30 days. This might include things like dining out. Instead of eating out, cook at home. Meal prepping for the week can save you both time and money. You'll be surprised at how much you can save by simply preparing your meals at home instead of grabbing takeout or dining at restaurants. Entertainment. Consider low-cost or free entertainment options like hiking, reading, or having a movie night at home instead of going out. There are tons of ways to have fun without spending a lot of money. Subscription services. Take a close look at any subscription services you're paying for. Do you really need them all? Consider pausing or canceling any that you don't use regularly. That includes streaming services, gym memberships, and magazine subscriptions. Every dollar you don't spend on these non-essential items can be put directly into your savings goal. Step 4. Create a 30-day spending plan. With your unnecessary expenses cut, it's time to create a 30-day spending plan. This isn't just a budget, it's a plan specifically designed to help you save $1,000 in 30 days. Start by calculating how much you need to save each day. For example, $1,000 divided by 30 days is about $33.33 per day. This is the amount you'll need to set aside daily to reach your goal. Next, list out all your necessary expenses for the month. Include things like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Then subtract these expenses from your income to see how much you have left over. Finally, allocate this leftover amount towards your daily savings goal. The key here is to prioritize your savings before anything else. Pay yourself first by setting aside that $33 or whatever your daily amount is as soon as you receive your income, and then use the rest for your essential expenses. Step 5. Increase your income. If you find that your current income isn't enough to save $1,000 in 30 days, consider finding ways to boost your income. There are plenty of side hustles and gig economy jobs that can help you earn extra cash quickly. Here are a few ideas. Freelance work. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, or web development, consider taking on freelance projects. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to find gigs that match your skills. Sell unused items. Look around your home for things you no longer use or need. Selling these items on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark can quickly put cash in your pocket. Rideshare or delivery services. If you have a car, consider driving for a rideshare service like Uber or Lyft, or delivering food with services like DoorDash or Uber Eats. These gigs offer flexible hours, so you can work as much or as little as you need to reach your savings goal. Babysitting or pet sitting. Offer babysitting or pet sitting services to friends, family, or neighbors. These services are often in high demand, especially on weekends. By increasing your income, you'll have more money to put towards your $1,000 savings goal. Step 6. Automate your savings. One of the best ways to ensure you reach your savings goal is to automate the process. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account on a daily or weekly basis. This way you won't have to think about it. Your savings will grow without you having to lift a finger. If your bank offers a round-up savings program, consider enrolling in it. These programs round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and transfer the difference into your savings account. It's a painless way to save a little extra every time you make a purchase. Automation takes the guesswork out of saving and helps you stay consistent, which is key to reaching your $1,000 goal. Step 7. Use the envelope method for budgeting. The envelope method is a simple but powerful budgeting tool that can help you control your spending and stay on track with your savings goal. Here's how it works. Start by withdrawing cash for your essential expenses, like groceries, transportation, and utilities. Divide this cash into separate envelopes, one for each category. Each time you need to spend money in one of these categories, take the cash from the corresponding envelope. Once the cash is gone, you're done spending in that category for the month. Any leftover cash at the end of the month can be added to your savings. This method forces you to be mindful of your spending and helps prevent overspending in any one area. Step 8. Take advantage of cashback and rewards programs. Maximize your savings by taking advantage of cashback and rewards programs. Many credit cards and apps offer cashback on purchases, which can add up quickly. Here are a few options to consider. Cashback credit cards. If you have a cashback credit card, use it for your regular purchases and pay off the balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. The cashback you earn can be put directly into your savings. Shopping apps. Apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, and Honey offer cashback or discounts on online purchases. Before you shop online, check these apps to see if you can earn cashback or find a coupon code. Grocery rewards programs. Many grocery stores have loyalty programs that offer discounts or cashback on your purchases. Sign up for these programs and use them to save money on groceries. While these programs won't make you rich overnight, every little bit helps when you're trying to save $1,000 in 30 days. Step 9. Reduce your utility bills. Another way to save money is by reducing your utility bills. Small changes in your daily habits can lead to significant savings over time. Here are some tips to lower your utility costs. Unplug devices. Many electronic devices continue to draw power even when they're turned off. Unplugging devices when they're not in use can reduce your electricity bill. Use energy-efficient light bulbs. Replace traditional incandescent bulbs with energy-efficient LED bulbs. They use less electricity and last longer, saving you money in the long run. Lower your thermostat. During the winter, keep your thermostat set to a lower temperature and wear extra layers to stay warm. In the summer, raise the thermostat a few degrees and use fans to stay cool. Take shorter showers. Reducing the amount of hot water you use can lower your energy bills. Try to take shorter showers and use cold water for laundry whenever possible. By making these small adjustments, you can save money on your utility bills and put that extra cash towards your savings goal. Step 10. Use coupons and discounts. Coupons and discounts are another great way to save money on your everyday purchases. With a little effort, you can find coupons and promo codes for just about anything you need to buy. Here's how to get started. Coupon websites. Check out websites like coupons.com, Retail Me Not, and Groupon for printable coupons and online promo codes. These sites offer discounts on everything from groceries to clothing to electronics. Grocery store apps. Many grocery stores have apps that offer digital coupons and discounts. Download the app for your favorite grocery store and clip coupons before you shop. Loyalty programs. Sign up for loyalty programs at your favorite stores to receive exclusive. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a tip on how to take control of your finances. Join our community of smart savers and savvy investors. We're in this together. See you in the next video.